In today's video, let us learn about preparation of phenols. Phenols can be prepared from chlorobenzene, an example of haloarenes, from cumene, from benzene sulfonic acid, and from diazonium salts. From chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene reacts with sodium hydroxide, a strong base, at very high temperature of 623 Kelvin and high pressure of 300 atmospheric pressure to form sodium phenate, okay, which on acidification gives phenol. Now we need to think why I have to use strong base, high temperature and high pressure. Now in the previous lesson you had learnt chlorobenzene. In chlorobenzene there is resonance. When there is resonance there is formation of carbon-carbon double bond. So it is very difficult to break a double bond. So we need to use high temperature and high pressure. And here carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. If it is sp2 hybridized, how is its electronegativity? Its electronegativity is higher. So when electronegativity is higher, the bond length decreases and bond strength increases. Therefore again difficult to break the bond. So it is a very strong molecule. It is very difficult to break the bond. In order to make this stubborn fellow react, we use high temperature, high pressure and a strong base. Under all these conditions, chlorobenzene gets converted into sodium phenate. Cl goes with H in the form of HCl. Left out is ONA, which gets added in place of Cl. Now what do I need here? I need hydrogen. Therefore I go for acidification. I use HCl. So Cl goes with Na in the form of NaCl and hydrogen comes inside giving you phenol. From cumene. Cumene is isopropyl benzene. Why isopropyl? In either side you have CH3 groups, therefore iso. Propyl because there are 3 carbon atoms which is attached to benzene. Therefore name of the molecule is isopropyl benzene. In industries it is called as cumene. Cumene on oxidation. So when we add oxygen to cumene, oxygen gets added here between carbon and hydrogen. And when you have 2 oxygen atoms, what is this? This is hydrogen peroxide. So what this should be called? It should be called as cumene peroxide, which on hydrolysis I am heading to prepare what? Phenol. So I should just add OH group to this benzene ring and remove everything. So I have removed CH3, C double bond O, CH3, which is a ketone. So what is left out? To the benzene ring OH group is attached. In one shot we are getting 2 products. One is phenol and the other one is acetone. You know about acetone. It is used as nail polish remover. So I get 2 different compounds. Therefore industrially it is very important method. So what is cumene? Cumene is isopropyl benzene. On oxidation gives cumene peroxide, which on acid hydrolysis gives us phenol along with acetone. From benzene diazonium chloride. So we will just try to write its formula. Everybody knows how to write benzene. Okay, benzene diazo. Di means 2, azo means nitrogen. So diazo I have written, and then chlorine. So this is benzene diazonium chloride. How do I get benzene diazonium chloride? I can prepare it using aniline by reacting it with nitrous acid, NaNO2 and HCl. Okay, whenever you react aniline with NaNO2 and HCl, we arrive at benzene diazonium chloride. We shall slightly see it in detail. NaNO2, sodium nitrite, and HCl react to give you H will come here, Na will go with Cl, giving you HNO2 plus NaCl. Now can I write HNO2 for my convenience as ONOH? Yes. So this nitrous acid reacts with, as I already said, aniline, whose formula is benzene, to which NH2 is attached, and in presence of acid they react, giving you, look here, NH2 is there, so H2O is removed. Here also I have 2 hydrogen atoms, 1 oxygen, H2O is removed. What is left out? Benzene, right? 1 nitrogen is here, another one is here, so diazo and chlorine. How many water molecules are removed? H2O. How many? 2. So minus 2H2O. Now this benzene diazonium chloride on warming with water, what is formula of water? HOH, will give you phenol. So H will go with Cl minus HCl, nitrogen will go out, minus N2, what is left out? OH. OH will attach to benzene ring, giving you phenol. Now we saw how we get benzene diazonium chloride. So benzene diazonium chloride just on warming with water will give phenol. Any types of molecule, n number of molecules can be prepared using benzene diazonium chloride. Okay. From benzene sulfonic acid. What is benzene sulfonic acid? To benzene, SO3H group is attached. This is called as benzene sulfonic acid. How do I get benzene sulfonic acid? By sulfonation of benzene using oleum. What is the formula of oleum? H2S2O7 is highly concentrated sulfuric acid, which is called as oleum. Oleum sulfonates benzene to give you benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid on reaction with NaOH, a strong base. This is an acid, this is a base. It is a simple acid base reaction. There is removal of water. Water is removed. So what do we get here? To the benzene ring, SO3 group is attached, to which Na gets attached. Now what do I need inside here? OH group. So I have to eliminate whole of this. So this molecule I am going to react it with, fuse it with concentrated NaOH solution. So whenever I react it with concentrated NaOH solution, there is removal of Na2SO3. So how many atoms of sodium are here? 1, 2, 3. 3 sodium, out of 3 sodium atoms, 2 have gone out and SO3 is gone out. So what is left out? ONA is left out, right? ONA is left out and water is also removed. So what do I need here? Hydrogen. So what should I do? I should go for acidification. That gives me Na will go with Cl, giving you NaCl, and H will come inside, giving you phenol.